Karwimbo Mukurinu nĩaumbũrĩte ndeto cia kĩeha ciĩgiĩ Njomo wa Nyathira kũrĩa arauga he is not okay na he needs our help. Karwimbo nĩaugĩte atĩ he has traced and found Njomo wa Nyathira na he can say that he is not okay and needs our help, na nginya atĩ he lost his dad na his dad left behind two of his siblings, two young girls who now depend on Njomo. Now on top of that, Njomo already has three of his own kids who also depend on him. No horo wa kĩeha nĩ atĩ at this moment Njomo wa Nyathira ndarĩ na wĩra and he is not okay. Na Karwimbo Mukurinu has taken to his Facebook page to share this issue, to share this story, Njomo wa Nyathira's story with his fans, na kuhoya mundu ũngĩkorwo na wĩra ateithie Njomo wa Nyathira kana in whichever way they can help. Akiuga it is not my kawaida thing kuweka vitu personal hapa, but allow me to shed some light about this man here, Njomo wa Nyathira. I have traced him and found he's not okay. His father died leaving behind two young girls who fully depend on Njomo. He also has 3 children. He had money, yes, and I can attest that he did not misuse the money. He used the money to construct a good permanent house, which is halfway. Halafu job ikaisha. Right now, hana job. I helped where I would, but the bills have really accumulated. For now, he's appealing for a job. As we know him, he's hardworking. He can work with his own hands. By the way, he's a very good driver. Kindly, mnaweza msaidia na chochote ama job yoyote, please. But we agreed he will not hang himself before Monday with a light touch. I'm ready for questions. Thanks all for concern. Now this story has really touched so many. Karwimbo Mukurinu says Njomo wa Nyathira is jobless now with 5 kids depending on him. Na tibesha misusire asa. It's only that he lost his job. Na nĩahotire gwaka nyũmba, although it's halfway, he did not misuse his money. Na Karwimbo Mukurinu says he can attest to that. And on top of that, he adds that Njomo wa Nyathira is very hardworking na he's willing to do any job available at the moment. Mũndũ ũngĩkorwo na wĩra amũteithie. Na ona Wambui wa Mũturi nĩongerera na kuga atĩ indeed he's a hardworking man, na akauga he's a good man and very friendly. I can attest. Thanks for standing with him. A true friendship is known like now. Ona nginya mafans nĩmeyumĩrĩtie. Rwanda Waweru akiuga woye my schoolmate Mungu akuonekanie, sorry. Paul wa Snapik, hapo kwa driver you nailed it, so easy to get the job, I know atapata. Wambui wa Muhu, I can attest for sure he's a very hardworking guy with a clean heart also. May the Almighty God remember him in a special way. Mũndũ ũngĩkorwo na wĩra, you can reach out to Karwimbo ona kana kwĩ Njomo wa Nyathira through their social media pages. And a big thank you to Karwimbo Mukurinu for standing with his friend and to also speaking out on the issue that Njomo wa Nyathira is going through. Ti andũ aingĩ marũgamaga na mũndũ rĩrĩa aragerera thĩna, but Karwimbo Mukurinu is proven to be a good friend. Now my fans have really commended him for what he has done for Njomo wa Nyathira. We wish Njomo wa Nyathira all the best.